Hey cool cats and kittens, and welcome to the man with the pink tripod's analog corner. Not anal log, analog, as in film photography. What are you like? Picture this if you will. The year is 1970. You are in the Soviet Union and you just bought yourself a brand new gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, ZORKI-4. And you take it out on the streets of your Soviet town and you take pictures of statues of Lenin, I suppose. And then you get home and you want to unload the film, but you don't know how to do it. You go to the instructions. You can't find the instructions. The comrades at the KMZ, Krasnogorsky Mechaniczny Zavod, probably, thereabouts, didn't put the instructions in. I'm joking. Of course they did, but those capitalist, chauvinistic pigs sabotaged you. So what do? Well, you go back to the factory where you work, obviously. You build a time machine and you jump into the future, the year 2026, because in today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you, how to unload the film from a ZORKI-4. And, I mean, you went through all this trouble of building a time machine, might as well give it a like, give it a subscribe. I don't know why I'm pointing this, because I don't know where this are going to go on the screen, but you know, do it. Come on. Speaking of doing it, let's do it. And here we are again with the beautiful, gorgeous ZORKI-4. Yeah. And I will make some videos about all the cameras as this section of the channel progresses. But now let's talk about taking the film out. What we need to do is see this little dial here. See how it has a marking there, and there's a marking on the body there as well, and also there's a marking there. We twist this, and whilst twisting it goes down. Which way? That way. We twist it, so, and we push it down. So now it's in the down position, which means it disengaged the shutter mechanism. So now the film is free to wind. Then we pull this knob. I keep saying knobs, but well, I suppose they are knobs. And as the arrow tells us, we rotate clockwise. And we're rolling on the ZORKI-4. Yeah, we're rolling on the ZORKI-4. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I have some black and white film here. Rolling. Feel free to talk amongst yourselves or listen to probably the boring background music I chose. It clicked, and now it rotates freely. Do it one more turn just to make sure we cleared all of the film. And let's push this back. Let's open it and see if we buggered it. There we go. Look how cool that is. Look how cool that is. And twist. And twist. And we should be opened now. Yeah, we are. And that is our film. Calm down, Boris. That is our film out of the ZORKI-4. And yes, I will make a video on how to load the camera as well. And if everything goes to plan, I'll be making many more videos. Let's close it until then. Twist and fold. And now this, we can turn again. It goes up, and the dot on the dial aligns with the top dot there. But we'll do that all over again when we load it with the film. Anywho, thanks for joining. Let's put it this way. How can I put this so you can admire it in all its glory? The ZORKI-4 unloading the film. Good boy. Thank you very much for watching, tovarищи and comrades. I love you. Bye bye.